Nchumurigereria botaniri bwa University ya Kisii bokoragwa hamwe na Professor Nathan Ogechi rituko ria rero nigwa nyagweba bogochake bene inyumba ya bana ebing'werere bakogongeria naya gose bakogongera naya ngobwatakana mone richiko rioborendi bwa bana bake elio okoreng'ana na Professor Nathan Ogechi yabeire yamo egati University ya Nyariko bagigwikirania richiko elio munagotumwe muri kito Daniel Ontere.
University ya Kisii inse yibotaniri bwaye Professor Nathan Oyori Ogechi nigo rero yasoase birengo binde koreng'anwa na University chenda Kenya kubwatakana negetambokero kyogochakigwa no kuigurwa kwenyumba ebekire ensemo yokogonkia abana bing'werere mwiga uragwa no munyakerugo wa Governing Council Musubati Dr. Sarah Ruto wapi vigelegele jamani gukona chinga kecho Sara oteba ekiga ngechikokonya boiga sukukini birengo bya masomo na mono asa megerio ali aborokigwa baganete kuligiriria bune bintu bigokoreka gose practicals.
The Kisii community to pay attention to children, and research has told us that the first 36 months of their life is perhaps the most critical, that we do not even know what a child learns, how they learn during the first 36 months. And therefore, if you go even to the industrialized world, when you see what effort they do and they play within the first 36 months, you will know that they are investing in the foundation so that they can grow up to be well. And I'm glad that we have started in this journey.
Ogechi oteba ekigange chikokonya bali na bana goikaransi birengererio na gosoma gose gokora emirimo chingaki barase skuru iga nobekire emero bulyo esaine yokoeneke buna abana bombo bwatomreri oyo rachie ko baligiriria chingaki baraire magega yogokora kogonka.
And that our students also have a place where they can also have breastfeeding, they can have their lactation and removal. I'm glad that we are, just like other universities, we are becoming among the few that are now getting in line with the law that I've said with the land. It's also part of the Sustainable Development Goals, and that at the end of the day, everything goes on well.
The university management felt that this is a step in the right direction to provide a safe, supervised environment for their children. And I know that, as you can see, it is enclosed. We shall give the right employees or manpower to take care of the children, and to that we say thank you so much to the council for providing the resources. And without much ado, we believe as the HR we are going to continually support our staff whenever they need the support to be able to be productive and proactive in their careers, because again it's been known and the people are most disadvantaged when we have small children. Mothers suffer more because their careers are more affected, and affordable childcare in this country is very expensive now, because you either find someone who harm your child, and that compounds the problem of women and their career growth. Even fathers, we also have a new phenomenon in society of single fathers. They also have support for coming to take care of their children.
Enyombe yiga nigibwatense mobene asabana bagochesera nebinto bagotumika nebitanda boigense mobene yekerero asobotanilio boiga bokoba asikerenga gyoko barenda naya nigagocha magega yeskuru yiga gotenenio ko baroro kwa bane bing'werere asebirasi chinga kia maso magenrete kubwatekana no kobera uburendi bwabo boigo asa mariganio wosio bumoroberio bokubekerwa egutwa asa borokigwa bwankyo ngrupo tirigeta seni kyagatembe kurega se county ya Kisii litrene ngruko Daniel Untiri.